Now to make the salt and pepper spice. Full black peppercorns into the grinder, and with my salt, a teaspoon of grounded white pepper. White pepper has a totally different taste to black pepper, and we only need 1 teaspoon. Next to go in is dried onion flakes, a good healthy tablespoon, which will be grinded with the peppercorns, and some garlic powder, which in my jar has kind of solidified, but that's okay because it's going to be grounded in the coffee mill. And some chili flakes. I like chili flakes, just a little bit of heat. This is totally optional, so if you don't like it to be too hot, then just omit this. And if you like it hotter, then by all means put as much as you like. The next ingredient is some dried rosemary. I love rosemary, especially on potatoes. And here, as you can see, there's the dried spikes that I've collected, and I'm just going to pop it into the coffee grinder to be grounded with everything else. Minus the stalks, just the needles. And the last ingredient is fennel seeds. Like rosemary, adds a lovely aromatic aroma and flavor to the whole combination. Now give it a good whiz so that all the ingredients are pulverized to powder, and then just make a funnel from a clean piece of paper. This really helps in not making a mess. Store in a glass jar. I prefer glass than plastic. Give it a good shake so that all the spices are well mixed together. This is a salty, peppery spice combination, a bit more on the salty side. So whenever I need salt, I would use this. There's a complex combination of salt and peppery layers here. Try using this on meats or vegetables whenever you want salt or pepper, and slowly find where and how you can use it to boost and bring out the natural flavors you are cooking.